Hello students, welcome back in virtual classroom. Today in this video, we are revising some of the grammar topics studied earlier. Yes, I am talking about tenses. Tenses with its forms. You already know that we have studied present tense in the earlier virtual lecture. Today we are going to study what is tense, type of tenses and four forms of tenses in brief. But going to study past tense and its form in details with its structure and sentences of examples. Let's see quickly what is tense. A tense is a form taken by a verb to indicate the time of action, or a tense is a form taken by a verb to indicate the duration of action. We have three types of tenses: past tense, present tense and future tense. Past tense is used to describe things that have already happened. Present tense is used to describe things that are happening right now. And future tense is used to describe things that have yet to happen. There are four forms of tenses for each of the type: present, past and future. So we have first form as simple tense, then second as continuous tense, then third form as perfect tense and fourth form as perfect continuous tense. Today we are going to learn in detail past tense with its forms. So here are four forms: simple past tense, continuous past tense, perfect past tense and perfect continuous past tense. Here look at the examples. Simple past tense. I went to London. Here I is subject, went is verb in second form and to London is an object. In continuous past tense, I was going to London is an example of it. Then perfect past tense, for example, I had gone to London. And in the next form, perfect continuous past tense, we have an example as I had been going to London. Now let's study its use. Uses of simple past tense. Let's first discuss about its structure. The structure of simple past tense is subject plus main verb plus object. Here the main verb is always in second form, which means in past tense. So we use simple past tense to express finished action. For example, let's study some sentences. We saw a movie yesterday. We traveled Australia last year. John played very well today. Julie finished to write a storybook. My father died in 2015. Or we use simple past tense to express past duration. For example, we lived in Jerusalem for 2 weeks. Smith played football all day. I studied French for 2 years. Last year, my daughter joined IT company and they talked on phone for 1 hour. We also use simple past tense in negative sentences. For example, let's look carefully the given sentences. We didn't study grammar yesterday. You didn't respect your teacher. My mother didn't go to Paris. They did not invite me for the ceremony. You did not watch a movie. Okay, let's look carefully when we use simple past tense in questions. Did they go to London? Did you wash your car yesterday? Did Smith study English grammar? Did teacher teach with the help of laptop? And did Sangeeta manage the situation skillfully? Let's study the second form, continuous past tense with its usage. The structure of continuous past tense is subject plus was or were plus main verb plus ing form. We use continuous past tense to express ongoing past action. For example, my brother was helping me to complete the homework. It was raining yesterday evening. We were playing basketball on our school ground. The students were asking questions to teacher and I was singing a song in birthday party. We use continuous past tense to express interrupted past actions. For example, I was praying God when my friend called. We were enjoying the picnic. It started to rain heavily. The teacher stopped me when I was giving the answer. While I was attending online lecture, my mobile turned off. The players were practicing. Suddenly the rain started. Next, to express parallel actions. I was watching TV while my mother was cooking. She was explaining the point and we were writing them. We were taking a dinner, also discussing on COVID 19. George was driving a car, talking on mobile loudly too. The meeting was going on while some guys were sleeping. In negative sentences, I was not attending the lecture regularly. They were not playing in summer vacation. You were not talking with your friend. The teacher was not explaining the point. The wind was not blowing when we reached there. And in questions, were we talking loudly yesterday? Was he attending physics lecture? Were the animals gazing on green meadow? Where were the guests sleeping? And what was your English teacher telling? So, these were all the sentences in the form continuous past tense. Now, let's study the next form, perfect past tense. The structure of perfect past tense is subject plus had plus main verb means verb in past participle plus object. Now let's study uses of perfect past tense. We use perfect past tense to express one event happened before another. Let's study some examples in the form of sentences. Jacob had gone out when I arrived in the shop. I had saved my data before the computer turned off. Harry had reached home before the rain started. And I could not pay the bill because I had lost my purse. We also use past perfect tense to express the actions started and finished in the past. For example, Emily had gone to deposit money in bank. Sangeeta had planted rose plants given by her husband. All students had gathered on the ground and they had taken a right decision. We use past perfect tense to express the use of just. Let's study these examples. The train had just left when we arrived at station. He had just reached home before he heard the bad news. The teacher had just finished the topic before the bell rang. And I stopped the car when the engine had just locked. We also used past perfect tense and negative sentences. For example, she had not submitted valid documents. All students had not participated in competition. No had not sung her favorite song. And I hadn't faced any difficulty in final exam. We use past perfect tense in questions. For example, study these sentences. Had your brother applied for that post? Had they reached the airport in time? Had Henry told an interesting story? And hadn't they taken your guidance last year? Let's study the next form, perfect continuous past tense. And the structure of the tense is subject plus had plus been plus main verb with ing form. We use past perfect continuous tense to express the action started in past, remained, continue in past, and finished in past. Let's study these examples. I had been going to college. He had been making a box with the help of his sister. All players had been playing with confidence. William had been continuing the coins. We use past perfect continuous tense to express duration from past to present. Study these examples. He has been living in Washington for 22 years. My father has been working in the US Army for 10 years. Farmers have been working in the farm since morning. I have been visiting Dubai since 2010. We use past perfect continuous tense in negative sentences. For example, you have not been doing your work sincerely. Sophia has not been participating in drawing competition. I have not been teaching English for 5 years. The dog has not been barking at the owner. In questions, have you been trying to solve the problem? Hasn't he been watching a movie? What have you been writing since yesterday? And where has he been working in the city? So in this way, today we studied past tense with its forms. Now we will meet in the next lecture with detailed information of future tense. Thank you.